Osprey, welcome to this tutorial on how to add funds to your Osprey card. Please ensure you have your Go Portal credentials ready to log in. From Stockton.edu, please click on the Go symbol at the top of your screen. Notice here, Go! Next, you will need to click Log into the Go Portal, right here on the left. Log in. Please enter your credentials. Welcome to your Go Portal. Please notice there is a Bursar tab at the top of your screen. Please click Bursar. It is important to know that in order to process and add funds to Osprey Card request, there must be a credit on your student account. If you are unsure if you have a credit, which is reflected by a negative symbol, please click on My Account, My Bill, and select the term we're in. If you need to make a payment, please scroll down and click Make a Payment. Select the option, either an electronic check or a credit card through our PayPath system. If you already have your credit available from Excess Financial Aid, it's time to jump to the Add Funds card. If you need to make a payment, please do so and come back when you're ready. Add funds to the Osprey card. Please click here. Welcome to this section. Please note there is a Submit Request in the middle of the screen. Please click there. Step 1 elaborates on checking your account balance and making a payment if you need to do so. Step 2 is where we're going to designate the amount that we would like transferred and how these funds are going to be used. It's important to know that from financial aid, you are only allowed to transfer $1,500 until the disbursement of the aid. You are also only allowed to select this as the unrestricted option. There are two options that cash, credit, or check payments can be made towards, and that's either restricted or unrestricted from other payments. It's important to know there is a brief description of both options as they are different right here on your screen. Please choose the option most appropriate for you. If entering from financial aid, please note there's only one box available for you. Enter it here. If you're entering this amount from an other source of payment, please enter in the box the amount of your payment. It is important to know you will have to click on the side of the screen in order for this total to populate down on the bottom. Here I am clicking. Click. Notice it changed. It is important to know that these requests may take 24 hours for processing or may not be processed until the following business day. These funds are to remain on the Osprey card until the student graduates or leaves Stockton University. Next, I'm going to click Submit. If I need to monitor the status of this request, I can click View Previously Submitted Additions. There will be three options, either open, processed, or rejected. It's also great to know, back in your Go Portal, under the My ID section, you can track the funds that are available on your card by clicking Get Funds. If you would like to check out what vendors accept this Osprey card, please notice above, Off-Campus Vendors. If by any chance you lose your card, it's important to report lost or stolen by clicking here. As always, if you have any questions, our office can be reached by email at bursar, that's bursar@stockton.edu, or via phone at 609-652-4597. Thank you for watching, and please let us know if you have any questions. Have a great day!